Okay, I'm using my third hand because I can't do this without it. So my other third hand is busy making lunch. So I'm going to show you the bits and pieces. This is the smoke generator. This is for the stationary smoke system that we came up with the other day. And what I'm using this for is to generate smoke. As you can see here, it's warming up now. And it generates smoke. I can crank it up so it gets a little hotter. And you can see there's smoke, okay? Then with this battery is at 9 volts. So this guy's gonna scream, but listen. You hear it scream. Do you see the paper move? It's not me breathing. Can be me breathing, but I'm not. I'm over here. Okay, so the fan is sucking enough air to cause that paper to move. And smoke is going to fly over it. And what I need to know is, can I pull air in and push it out to cool the motors down? And what I've done, as you might be able to see here, I've cut off the right angle piece. I've filled it with UV cure bondic glue so that I'm not pushing the air straight and then at a right angle anymore. I'm pulling it right out of the side of the fan. And I got this from the Lionel smoke system, which looks a lot like this, where they're running the fan, but they're pushing the air out the side. And so I'm trying that to see, is this going to do what I want? So there's the smoke. I'm going to touch the... Now what happens, you see two things happen. The smoke is drawn into the intake, and you'll see the paper moving away. So I'm sucking the smoke in and I'm pushing it out that silver pipe, which is a Flyer smokestack, screwed in, and it's pushing the air straight down. You can see it just takes off. And that's quite a distance, so it's really pulling good. Now, I won't be giving it 9 volts. The motor will get 3 to 5 volts. So the test will be put it into a reduced volt setting and see what we can do with that. But the beauty is I can just crank that up until I get what I need. So I am not nervous. I think we've kind of come through the barrier. Boy, if I breathe on that, I blow it away, don't I? Okay, so I'll turn my head or something here. I'll lean way back. So it's smoking. It just disappears. It just disappears right into that trap. And it's coming and it's getting pushed out. It's getting pushed out that side opening. That's pretty amazing. Okay, so I'm feeling better than I was the other day. I was not too excited. I had kind of almost given up. And then I realized, you know, you're doing this like your smoke system, but that's different. Here you really want to pull the air in. You really want to be aggressive with the airflow. Maybe you should go back and see what they did and take it from the side, and there it is. So I'm propelling the air. I'm doing the vortex stuff, but the air pressure is coming into the upper chamber and the outer side. And if there's a hole on the outside, it'll go there much easier than if it's just straight up. It's a little harder to go straight up. I think a different fan blade might have been working there, but in this case, it just comes straight down. So now what I'm going to do is come off of the, I'm going to remove this part here. I'm going to leave this the exact distance, and then I'm just going to take a straight tube and come down to the distribution box that sits over the outlet. And I think that's a minor change, frankly, and I should be able to get that done right after we have lunch. And then I will be able to put that back in the engine and do another series of tests, which I hope show you how smart we are over here. And clever. Boy, does that pull it down. That is so nice. sucking it in and pulling it out. It's great. Okay, so that's the show, and I'm going to post this because this is one worth posting. I've had several that were not, and you didn't see them either. So there, I'm going to go up and get some lunch and come back, and we'll finish this job the right way. Thank you.